Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I want to share with you guys a few of my favorite things that I actually have or eat on keto, especially if you're a beginner. I'm sure this is going to be helpful. I definitely feel like if you are a beginner, these are a few things or staples that you might want to have in your pantry, and that will help you reach your goal. So let's get started. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is Emily, and I've lost close to 50 pounds, and it took me about 7 months. Now I've been on keto for a whole year, and I am maintaining my goal, which is super. I'm still shocked because a lot has gone on in my life, and I still can't believe that I've kept it off. So if you guys want to watch this video, then stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you guys is um, it's up to you whether you want to do like strict keto, low carb, if you want to do dirty keto, if you want to do, I don't know what kind of keto you guys are wanting to do, but for me, this is what has helped. I actually don't have a name for it. I'm sure a lot of you might think it's dirty keto, but as for me, I feel like this has been super helpful. And these are things that I go to when I do have a little bit of a craving. And let me tell you, when you are on keto, you will have many cravings. And these are a little bit, I guess, substitutions for those that have helped me. And this is my opinion. I'm not an expert on keto. I'm not an expert on health or anything like that. But this is what has worked for me. Like I told you, I've lost 50 pounds. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I want to tell you guys is before keto, I was not a coffee drinker, but now I feel like coffee is my go-to when I do want something sweet, and it's something that I've been loving. And you guys, let me tell you about these skinny syrups. I wish I was sponsored by them, but I'm not. These are by far my favorite sweeteners, and let me tell you, this limited edition for the fall is my favorite. I have like 3 of these in my pantry because every time I see them at Marshall or TJ Maxx or Home Goods, I have to get my hands on them because they are definitely a staple in my pantry. They are delicious. Like every time after dinner, I try to have coffee with a little bit of the syrup because I do get that sweet craving, and this definitely helps it. And it's zero everything, you guys. And they have different flavors. They also have like other flavors like lemonade and stuff like that. And talking about lemonade, one thing that I go to when I do want something sweet, or if I'm craving that lemonade and stuff like that, this is the Crystal Light Pink Lemonade, and there are 6 packets in here, and it says 0 sugars. It does say 3 grams of carbs, but you don't drink the whole thing all at once. So it's like I'll just have like a glass or so if I just want that, that little pick me up. So these are really great. They're the Crystal Light. You can get these anywhere. And also, when I am craving something like chips or something salty, I do go to my sunflower seeds. They have so many flavors, you guys. These are amazing. These are the Jalapeno Hot Salsa. And these, my husband gets them for me at a gasoline station because we can't find them anywhere else. They do have some at Dollar Tree that I got. I think they're the Taco Bell seasoning, which are really good. I really like those. These are pretty spicy, and I like the fact that they are jumbo. So these are my go-to when I want something sweet or something to munch on. Something else, if you do have a sweet tooth, I go to my Quest bars, and this is, I would say, one of my favorite flavors is the birthday cake. Definitely go to it. As you can tell, I don't eat the whole thing. This will last me about a week or so. I just eat a little bit, and I'll have a green tea with it, usually at night. Like if I'm not craving the coffee, I'll have a green tea, and I'll have like a little piece of my Quest bar. I also like I think it's chocolate chip, and I also like the cookie dough one with chocolate chips. It's amazing. but I'll have it with the decaf green tea before bed or right before my fast. I start my fast, so I'll have this, and I think it's like a really great combination, like a tea with no sugar or anything. I usually have my teas without any sugar. That's why I have that little sweet treat with it. And something else that has been helping me a lot, and I felt like I needed to watch a video like this when I was a beginner keto. I couldn't find videos like this, like what things to take to help me during keto. So I have found this dark cocoa powder, and you guys, I make my own chocolate bar. And if you guys want to learn how to make your own chocolate bar, go down to my videos. I show you exactly what I put in my chocolate bars, which is amazing, you guys. So all you need for your chocolate bar is organic coconut oil, and I always have this in my pantry. I'm almost out of it, and I always have the cocoa powder, and this is the unsweetened one. This one I purchased it at Home Goods for $2.99. And I also have stevia, or the monk fruit, and that's exactly what I use to make my own chocolate bar. And something else that has helped me, you guys, for my fasting is this MCT oil. I always put it in my coffee, like a little tablespoon of it, and I know it really helps me. So yeah, you can get this anywhere. They even sell it at Trader Joe's, I think, in Whole Foods, and they even have it at Home Goods. I actually purchased this one at Home Goods for $9.99. And something else that I try to add to my water during the day, it is definitely the organic apple cider vinegar. And this one you can purchase it anywhere. This one, I think we got it at Walmart. Yeah, it's great value. Walmart, and I think this one was about $4. It's pretty big, and this will last me a while. But I drink this every day with my water in the mornings, and you guys, this definitely helps your pH. It balances your pH. So I put this in my water, and I put a little bit of lemon drops or lime drops, and I feel like it really quenches my thirst, especially where I live, you guys. It's been super hot. It's been like 120, 115, 112, super hot. So I usually, these are my go-to drinks. If you guys have, oh, and one more thing, hold on. Okay, you guys, I said my go-to drinks. You guys, this is by far one of my favorite keto finds or low carb finds is this sparkling ice. Let me tell you, this flavor is the coconut pineapple. You have to try this flavor, you guys. It is definitely my favorite, my go-to. And I feel like you're not really missing out on regular drinks when you drink this. This is amazing if you're even doing low carb, dirty keto. I don't know what kind of keto you're doing, but for me, I love these drinks, but I cannot drink the whole thing. So this maybe will last me like 3 days. But this is amazing, you guys. So I just hope you guys find this video helpful. Like I said, when I first started keto, I wanted videos like this that were honest, raw. None of this is sponsored, you guys. This is exactly what I buy for myself and have been buying for a whole year. And these are things that have helped me maintain my weight loss. And I just wanted to share with you guys and be real. So I just hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys.